So a pill bleed is not a bleed. I think it's really important to understand that a pill does not regulate periods, it suppresses them. And I think that the message that we get when when a woman is not bleeding regularly or is having heavy bleeds is told, we can regulate your period by going on the pill. That's not what's happening. Your periods are being suppressed by the pill or a contraceptive. It's the others as well. A real period, a real cycle has to have the ovulation on week 2, at the end of week 2. It also needs to have that luteal phase. So we showed that graph at the beginning. You need to have that 2-week post ovulation with the progesterone climbing. What's happening when a woman is taking the pill and then having a 7-day break, she's having a withdrawal bleed, which is mimicking a menstrual cycle. What I think is interesting is that in a blood test, a woman on the pill has estrogen and progesterone levels at menopausal levels because of the artificial hormones are not hormones.
And so this is where it damages the pituitary. And this is where we are seeing women crying out for natural progesterone rather than these synthetic progestins. So again, we have to figure out why are those symptoms happening that they're being put on the pill for, if that's why they've gone on the pill, and fix them at the root cause, not be suppressing what's going on because, oh yes, well, we fixed it because now you're having a regular bleed. It's not a bleed. And what we'll see later on is, yeah, women are having, they're starting to have all the things that are associated with lack of estrogen and lack of